Hello guys, welcome to today's hoop class. I'm so excited. It's really nice outside, so I decided to come out and enjoy the day. Make sure to keep continuing with social distancing though. So we're going to review what we learned last week, our sequence, to show where we should end up for starting this week's. Perfect. So we ended up with like a backwards jump through. First, for this new sequence, we're going to be doing a move to get our hand inside of the hoop. So our hand is on top. We're using our thumb so that we can switch our grips. This is really important. So practice hula hooping with your thumb. So this is where we ended. This is the next move. Switch into a 2-beat weave. Perfect. I'm going to slow everything down so you can see this movement exactly how it needs to be seen to know what to do. So starting with our palm face down, like so, having our grip so that our thumb is underneath the hula hoop, we're going to do like a half roll to switch our grip, just like so. We're going down to our opposite side, back to our same side, opposite side again, same side again, and then jump through. If you're having difficulty with this move, our 2-beat weave, let me know in the comments and I'll send you a video that shows a little bit more about that in detail. I'm going to show you this move again. Jump through. That's what it looks like quicker. From there, we're going to do a palm spin, just like so. Now, in order to do this, you're going to start with your palm facing downward, leading with your thumb. When it gets above you, you give it a little push. I'll slow it down for you so you can see that. Leading with your thumb, it's up, you push, open your hand to be flat, and then grab it and bring it back down. Make sure your palm is flat. If your thumb is up, it will get in the way. I'll show you what that looks like. Again, we're going to start with our palm facing downward and our thumb in front. Up, push, open. See, thumb's in the way, down it goes. Now you can try it a few different ways and see what works best for you, but to get the most spins, it's better to have your palm flat. Now, if you don't like doing the palm spin, you just hate it, there's something else that you can do, and that is this. Instead of letting go, you just do the same movements, but hold on. So let me show you what that looks like. Bringing your thumbs up, again, you're leading with your thumb, and when you bring it up to above your face, you bring palm out, and then you turn your wrist again to go thumbs down. Looks like this. And then here's slow motion. Again, you're leading, thumb going up, palm out, thumb down, just like so. I'm going to show you again in a little bit different lighting. Instead of letting go, you're just turning your wrist. A really good way to think about this is you're kind of telling someone to get out of here, goodbye, and thumbs down. Get out of here, bye, thumbs down. So you can kind of practice that movement, especially if this is giving you some trouble. Get out of here, bye, thumbs down. Just like that. Can spin, but you don't have to. So after this move, you're going to be doing a new one. I can't remember the name of this, but I'll let you guys know after I show you it. So that's what the move is. Very fun. It's a combo. So it's kind of like shutting the door on your back. So lean forward, it'll help it roll. Make sure that you have your hand ready to grab it. And you're going to be grabbing it in a different grip. From there, you're bringing your arm behind your back and doing another closing the door motion, like so. And you can practice that. The other hand is going to cross behind to get ready to grab the hoop, like so. Showing you from a variety of different angles. You can even lean back to kind of help it. Up to you. Now I want to break this down just a little bit more. I'm going to show you it again, the combo. And then I'd like to break it down. I really want you to pay attention to the way my hands grip the hoop. So I'm throwing it over my shoulder. My hand switches to face outward and grab it. And bring it to the other side. Now I'm going to break that down a little bit more. So pay close attention. Over the shoulder, see my hand, instead of facing towards my body, it's facing away, like a high five to the camera. Grabbing. Like so. Thumb down. It's going to come across, and that thumb is going to go from down to up behind my back. And then I'm going to work on that closing the door motion again. My other hand, my free hand, is going to come across again, palm out, not on my body, away from my body, so that I can grip that hoop. Thumb down to thumb up. Perfect. Now, I'm going to show you again a few more times so you can get the hang of it. And then behind the back. See, thumb up. My free hand going to the other side to grip. Of course, you know, we don't always get it, do we? Now, if you're worried that your hoop isn't going to flop over to the other side, you can try a bigger hoop. Different sizes will help, different body types. And leaning back will help a lot too. Now, to put it all together. So we jumped through from our last. We're doing our 2-beat weave to another jump through. And then our palm spin. We'll do it twice. And then over the back, behind the back to over the stomach, and done. Awesome. Thank you guys for joining me outside and doing this. If you need any help with any of this, feel free to pause or repeat video a few more times. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with. And if you get a move and you're really excited about it, share a video, because I would really love to see what you guys are doing and all your progress. Thank you again, and I'll see you next week.